Gang, how you going? Sky Pilot here. No, I'm not flying my UK 65 drone, my Whoop Whoop, which I got from Banggood, because it's not pairing my stinking Tranus remote, which is really annoying. Anyway, I've gone down, I've got something from the post office. I've already ripped it open because I didn't know what this was. But now I do, and now you do. I've been reviewing some watches lately. Again from my mates at Banggood. These are all sub $20 watches. Yeah, they keep time really well. This is the Curran brand, a couple of Currans and some Sinoki. This one's got a plastic screen, really hard to read time on it. Yeah, it's pretty much rubbish, but these are cool, these ones here. Still really happy with them. And of course my Daily Smile. Looks like an expensive watch, but she's cheap as. Anyway, getting a bit sidetracked there. Let's crack this cardboard box open and see what's inside. Tool. What sort of watches do we have here? Again, link in the description for these watches, where they come from, how much they were. Nice little plastic snap lock bag thingy that one's in. With another bag around it. I have to refresh my memory. This is $298 yen. It says skimmy again. Skimmy. Skimmy. I don't know how you pronounce it. Instruction booklet. So this watch not only tells the time, but it also has a backlight. Hour, minute, second, month, day, week. Chime, hourly and daily alarm. 12, 24 hour. Stopwatch and a backlight. And yeah, instructions, whatever. As you can see, it's packed with a slight memory in tow. Straight up, let's have a look at this thing. What have we got here? Funky looking clip on it. Let's take this off so we can have a good look at it. The band feels quite plasticky, guys. It doesn't feel as nice a quality as the Curran. How does it look? Again, I'd say that's plastic. Let's get my plasticometer out. Yeah, it's plastic. Glass, glass, plastic, plastic. Thank you, glassometer. So, does it look like a cheap ass $19 watch? That's the question which we need to know. So let's put it on our wrist and let's check it out.
Set the band down. Looks pretty cheap. Certainly feels pretty cheap.
It's quite small. I'm used to the big chunkers, but yeah, it's about the same size as that model Curran there. A little bit chunkier. Okay. Yeah, not too bad. Good little backyard watch. I call them backyarders. Probably no good for wearing out too much. So the side button here, I would say, just changes the time. That top button, I have no idea what it does. There's a mode button on the left. So it looks like you can toggle different modes between stopwatch and alarm. The red thing here does absolutely nothing, and it's got a light as well. So what lights up, I don't know if you can see that. Yeah, the 3 round displays. That's all that lights up from that. Pretty basic. Again, with these it is quite hard to tell the time with the digital because the hands cover all the screen up. So look, it's pretty basic. This doesn't have rotating bezel. Cheap looking watch. This is about $17, I believe. So yeah, not a bad outdoorer at all. Now what have we got here? The next one. Another bag in the bag. Some instructions which I won't go through. Whoa, there sells another Mega Smile. These smartwatches are pretty chunky, let me tell you. So there's a smale and double smale. How do these look on the hand? Yeah, they're not too bad actually. About the same size. Button configuration, well, yeah, you tell me, they look exactly the same, don't they? So I'd suggest everything is identical, except the LCD screen. What have we got here? Some plastic as well, so be careful of that. Off. Plastic. Yeah, looks pretty cool. Dim the lights. That's what lights up. All of that. Last one actually shows the day, seconds, digital clock, and I can't read that. Not sure what that one is down there. So this has got an alarm and an hourly chime as well. What I don't like about these watches is the stupid black displays they have. I've got these negative. This one here doesn't. I wish they'd keep it clear. This one here has the negative black display, which actually makes it really hard to see during the day. Yeah, non-rotating bezel. That one does a light, so you got your start, reset. This turning bit here just turns the second hand. Another button for the light, so both of these are for lights. That does nothing. And this one down here switches between the modes. The back here we've got another piece of plastic which we can take off. And again, identical to my other smale. This is number 1540.
1545. Yeah, and the badge exactly the same, just different colour, same texture. But look, wearing these.
I think you'll agree. You have a quick glance at it, you go, hey, that's a pretty cool watch you're wearing now. I've had a few people say that's a cool looking watch. You go, oh yeah, I guess she's not too bad. And as long as I don't grab it and have a look at it close up, she looks like an expensive timepiece. Which is pretty cool, because it's not. This was about 23 bucks. Link up there in the description. Yeah. Smale. Eat your heart out. Drop us a comment. Drop us a like. Any questions? Let me know which one you guys like the most. Check in my history of vids. I've done some other reviews on these other current watches and stuff, so plenty more to come. I'm going to go try and get my stinking whoop up in the air, and yeah, try and get my airfast sky to work. I just can't bind the thing. It's really annoying. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.